This is Sundaish FM. Feel the language.
Welcome back to Sundaish English Radio, where language meets meaning and meaning meets emotion. Tonight, we're not just listening to a song, we're decoding a feeling. The anthem, One Blue, One Flame. Let's begin with something powerful, figurative language. Because this song doesn't speak directly, it paints emotion. Listen to this line. Two beating hearts refuse to say goodbye. Now, are Persib and Bobotoh literally two hearts? No, this is a metaphor. It means they are alive together. They feel together. They exist as one living force. And then, one wears the blue upon the field. One holds the dream that never yields. This is symbolism. Blue represents Persib. The dream represents Bobotoh. One plays, one believes, but both are connected. Now listen carefully. Like river and the waiting sea, like roots and ancient memory. This is a simile. River and sea cannot be separated. Roots and memory define identity. Meaning? Persib and Bobotoh are naturally one. Not forced, not temporary, but destined. Now we move to something emotional. From every scar, a deeper light. This is paradox. Pain creates strength. Loss creates meaning. In real life, Bobotoh didn't just celebrate victories. They survived the struggles. Two voices merge, a single sound. That's imagery plus metaphor. Thousands of voices, but one identity. That's not just sound, that's unity. Now, the chorus. One heart, one dream, one throne. This is repetition for emphasis. It builds power. It creates rhythm. It makes the message unforgettable. This is how an anthem becomes a movement. A club without its faithful crowd is just a name that speaks too loud. That's personification. A name cannot speak, but here it feels empty, hollow, meaningless. Meaning, without Bobotoh, Persib is incomplete. Love, when sung by thousands strong, becomes the strength to carry on. This is hyperbole. Love doesn't literally give physical strength, but emotionally, it gives everything. Now, listen to this. Blue is our truth, our pride. Blue is no longer a color. It becomes an identity. This is symbolism at its highest level. And finally, Persib in our blood, Bobotoh in our breath. This is a biological metaphor. Blood equals life. Breath equals existence. Meaning, this is not support. This is who they are. Now, let's talk about vocabulary you must understand. Key vocabulary. Yields equals gives up. Never yields equals never surrender. Vow equals a serious promise. Scar equals luka, physical or emotional. Merge equals to combine into one. Aligned equals perfectly matched, in harmony. Retreat equals move backward, give up. Fierce equals strong, intense, penuh semangat. Intertwined equals connected deeply, tidak terpisahkan. Behold equals look at something with attention. Flame equals api, symbol of passion and spirit. Echoes equals suara yang bergema, often symbolic of impact. So when you listen to this song again, don't just hear the words, feel the meaning. Because this is not just English. This is not just music. This is identity. This is unity. This is Persib and Bobotoh as one. Sundaish English Radio, where language becomes alive. Now, let's vibe to One Blue, One Flame for Persib.
Beneath the quiet rain of Bandung sky, two beating hearts refuse to say goodbye. One wears the blue upon the field, one holds the dream that never yields. From every scar, a deeper light. From every loss, a stronger fight. Two voices merge, a single sound, where faith and fire both are found. Persib, Persib and Bobotoh cry one soul beneath the same white sky. We don't exist apart or alone. One heart, one dream, one throne. Persib, Persib, side by side, Bobotoh burning deep inside. From Bandung's fate to victory, rise as one. Persib, a club without its faithful crowd. It's just a name that speaks too loud. But love, when sung by thousands strong, becomes the strength to carry on. In every cheer, in every tear, our future echoes loud and clear. Two forces perfectly aligned. One will, one heart, one mind. Persib, Persib, hear Bobotoh roar. A love no defeat can never ignore. We don't retreat, we don't divide. Blue is our truth, our pride. Persib, Persib, written in flame. Bobotoh carrying the same. From Bandung's soul to destiny, we rise as one. Persib, let the world come and see what unity can truly be. Not money, not fame, not fear, but hearts that stand so near. Persib, Persib, champions of time, Bobotoh fierce and intertwined. No storm, no doubt, no broken dream can break this living team. Persib, Persib, world behold how blue becomes pure gold. From Bandung's love to history, we Persib.